mention a record, and the thing now will hear you.
Cool.
Wait, did I? Okay, let's load the autosave. You type something.
Okay.
Type something aggressively.
Sure.
Just type. I should be typing something aggressive. Okay, it's working at least. Good job.
Anyone home?
Yep.
Yeah, like
Sure works.
the scuff is real. I can't see if I get any more viewers. So you have to announce to me that I'm getting something. Someone
I
here.
mean, not like I have anything better to do, to be honest.
You can. Well, like you're gonna be.
Yep. There's a whole second viewer. Hello.
Like you're gonna be playing. Like
An entire one person. Let's go.
one more person than you.
This is not good.
Like I promise I can't see the viewer count. I'm gonna try to fix. I don't want to fix it myself. After. Like. I'm gonna disregard.
Honestly, I just kind of recommend you to do some troubleshooting later on.
No, yeah.
I'll try to fuck around with it myself at some point.
Yeah, like,
Just, like see how it functions overall, but honestly, right now I feel you just kind of go on. Kind of standing around for what 40 minutes now.
Yeah, but I had problems. Yeah. Sometimes it's not fun people here, like that.
Yeah.
Like
That's
it's still.
Okay, now we have a whole one person as your audience.
And that's you.
No, there's.
Oh, there's one more than you.
Yeah, I have no idea. Oh, I can't see the name. They haven't wrote anything in chat. Welcome, and they're gone.
Let's go. You can still hear me from the stream, right?
Sure can. Wait. Actually, no. I have it muted. Let me check.
Hello. Hello. This is the pizza delivery.
Yeah, I can. Okay, it's fine. It works.
Okay, so I'm not just being a dumb idiot. Anyways, this is my amazing inventory I'm gonna run with for this time. I do wanna.
Awesome.
I wanna raise it to the number 1 slot. And we're gonna save. Save. Deliver this. I might just like upload it once I'm done.
I mean, feel free. Like, I honestly don't give enough of a shit to like.
You have to be careful. Like just fucking. The first
They're gonna make AI of my voice. They're gonna contact my bank and steal 30 euro from my bank account. Oh no.
Let's go. Well, like I'm mostly thinking about like uploading it into YouTube. Like I have to change my name on YouTube or something.
Yeah.
But I'm gonna do that. I'm just gonna like a little bit of googling will fix it. What? You're gonna be able to hear your once again, like your Finnish accent. Once I've uploaded this, I'm gonna send it to you also.
God.
You're gonna hear your beautiful accent. I killed the chicken. I ended the chicken's life.
No, do you realize they're gonna fly after you now? They're gonna.
Anyway.
Wait, that's the wrong game.
Anyway, you just be careful. Like, please think of like good voice, like not relatively bad voice shit. I don't wanna be any naughty. I don't wanna be naughty. Even though I'm playing a really good, not fun game.
This shit's gonna get like demonetized instantly. Okay, I didn't swear. I didn't swear in the first 7 seconds, so it's getting demonetized.
Like anyway, I don't mind if it's not bought. Like I'm not trying to make money off it right now. I'm not trying to make money off it. I know it's like really cheesy. It's like yeah, I don't want to make money off it. Yeah, it's just right now. I'm just doing this.
No, I get it.
I'm just doing this.
Yeah.
Air raid. Isn't this rocket launcher amazing?
Huh?
La campana.
I mean, it looks that way.
Isn't this a total kid
By the way,
friendly?
how are you like when you get to swapping weapons? Like when do you swap weapons? When do you reroll?
Oh, actually, after every playthrough.
I see. I thought you were doing like time.
There it is.
Like it would be fun like if they did one in the future, where it was just me, where it was just no, not the cow, not Peter. No,
I was thinking like you swap it around every certain point here.
yeah, like I might do it in the future. I'm also I'm planning on playing just more games.
By the way, you misspelled the title. Good job. Great
What?
streamer.
Oh yeah, the streaming. I misspelled. I see that now. Well, like I'm not bad at writing. Okay, don't bully me. Oh, Papa.
Yeah, I do. Of course I have to bully you. That's literally the entire purpose why I'm here.
Truly. Oh, what next are you gonna what's the next thing you're gonna bully me about?
We'll see. We'll see as it comes up.
There. Let's go. Go down. I almost forgot some loot. So like set up like a GoFundMe page. Found my streaming career.
God damn.
By the way, this weapon one-shots the final boss. So it should one-shot every boss in the game.
Of course.
Like I don't know why. But like there's a strat in speedruns where all you need is basically like if they buy a rocket launcher around on the mission before on missions before where you can buy it before Sadler. Spirit for Sadler, one shot Sadler with an RPG, and there's like complete the game as fast as you can after that. Anyway, I can see how many viewers the category I'm streaming have, and I can see it's 1,100 viewers are currently watching Resident Evil 4. I didn't see many people be streaming Resident Evil, like my number of viewers watched. I think it was like 193 people watching Resident Evil 7. So I might play that. Yeah, like I'm probably just gonna. Can you, I don't. Yeah, I've streamed. For me, I've streamed for 11 minutes right now.
Yeah, that's
But like we did like an episode like
almost 12 now, but yeah, I'm fairly sure that it, yeah.
yeah, like I can see how long. I can see what window, like what audio sources and scenes I have. For sure, like the scene is I don't think the scene game. Can I rename this scene? Rename. Resident Evil 4. There. Like in the voice of the short thing of me standing still.
Yeah, it don't really matters, to be honest.
Oh fuck. I don't know if this will make some companies happy, but I don't know if I'm gonna call it like the Edo Phoenix thing, you know that stuff?
Elaborate.
The Edo ruling. I'm just in Discord on my phone. I'm gonna be running around for a bit. Okay, I'm just gonna be pausing a bit. I'm gonna send my friend here a. I don't know. Look what I said. I don't know how that will fly with like Twitch, YouTube, everything like that.
What do you mean, like? Noah Junk did Video Pro pretty actively.
What's that
I know
noise?
Dual Log's done it. Free
No, what Jank Dual Logs plug him, link them.
yeah, free plug, by the way.
Yeah, like free. Okay, like try to get the plug as minimum as possible, please.
Honestly, yeah, I'm sorry.
Like, yeah,
But
it's
yeah,
fine.
no, I know it has, like, other people have done Video Pro, like, I don't think it doesn't matter.
No, anyway, I did rebuild the tier list, the tier net list. I did, and like the only main thing I did with the main deck that I know off the top of my head is that I replaced Zephyros with like I think Shadow Dragon, I think it's called.
Sacrifice.
I mostly did that since
Took my gear.
the Shadow Dragon will give me I think a spell and trap pop or destruction when it's 70% to the graveyard.
Yeah, the thing with Sephiroth is that it, like, resets stuff and is field presence, but
Yeah.
yeah.
Like I think I sided it. Yeah, I don't have a knife. Yeah, like this, I'm forced to break my rule in this section because I'm forced to have use a knife. Anyway, watch this if you're not old enough. There.
Not bad, right?
He's with his friends now, if I say that. They're with their friends now, if we say that. Oh, I almost took into the bear traps.
I'll be taking these back.
We're only gonna keep the herbs. I'm gonna become a herbalist. Well, I'm gonna use 3 greens. There, triple green. Oh, there, here he is. Here's the lad.
Over here, stranger.
Who's that?
Let's do some welcome. Nice work. What can I interest you?
I wanna
in?
buy
Better
this.
to be over prepared. Am I right? Easy work.
I'm gonna sell this, this, then this. For some reason, my A button
Thank
is
you.
half working. Trade. We're gonna trade us the
You
maps.
all kinds of in for a bit of rubbish collection, stranger. Finders
There.
don't get it.
We're gonna do this. What if I laid? How much will this give me? I'm gonna have this for now. Since I have 3 of them, this will give me a triple
Yourself
bonus.
killed now.
Like I think I should be able to get done with Sadler
Hell am I?
at least today. I think I should be able to. Poor lady. Looked up a few words and got booed. Isn't that? I know isn't that hilarious? No, fuck! Okay, first death. First death.
Good job. Great job.
Thankfully,
Well
thankfully I've saved. The power of the save.
Hell am I?
What if I link this to my friend? With the stream, what if I link the stream to one of my Swedish friends?
Do it.
Like, I don't know if... Okay, this should be a quick break here, quick pause. I don't know, it was like... Twitch... If I open up my own stream... Here... Channel... There, I linked it to one of my friends. This should be is it like an awkward pause here? You're seeing this amazing gameplay. Run, 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 run. There. And anyway, I just so I know it's from you, but like I can probably guess this ranks. This is not good. It's not good. This is horrendous.
Holy shit.
I think it's my friend.
Possible.
I think I heard you.
Hello. Hello anyways.
Hi. You're allowed to, anyway, if someone else you're allowed to type in chat, just so you know. Like, I don't...
Now, like...
I don't... I said like they're allowed to type. But Jesus Christ. I highly recommend you smoking if you try to keep like TOS.
I mean, yeah, also, like, I'm not looking to get banned. Randomly say some
Wow, you are amazing at holding a captain rocket.
Oh yeah, I'm not deceied. No, but like, it's his first try. Oh, his first try. What do you expect?
I mean, yeah, fair enough.
Come on, take up. Run with those legs. Run with those legs that America. Run with those legs that America gave you. Funny thing, like everyone here was deload now. It was like go around this cliff. See, everyone's deloaded.
Everyone is DO.
Truly. We should put in the title, JoJo fans are allowed.
Put JoJo in the tags.
Yeah. Anyway, Smoke, I wanted to remind me to add those two people I saw called earlier. So I can, because you said their names, I put them in the bio. So you just
Imagine.
You remind me. Like I don't think it will matter much. Like at least do that since you mentioned that.
Tag Noah Jenkins in the VOD upload.
Yeah, like he's not uploaded a thing in a while, so like that's sad. Since his content was
it is.
his content was actually good, but like I think in his last stream he was just mostly talked about like he had like I think last thing he did put on Discord that he was just that he was like not feeling well mentally. He was like he was not feeling amazing. And it was basically just, it was said it was just gonna stream when he feels like, and it's not been a good while.
Yeah, I feel that. Honestly, I feel that. That's extremely fair.
I didn't walk in a single bear trap. Let's go. FBI. I'm gonna close the door. Close the door. No. It won't
Not
open
too
the...
shabby. Someone has shown up their neighbors.
Oh yeah, I don't remember. It's been a while since I played this. Would it be fun if I always had some form of misspelling in titles? Crop.
That's just your branding.
Yeah, crop.
It's just your branding.
My branding is misspelling title. Like the title
My
should be
branding is that I fucking suck at speaking English.
Yeah. Oh. Is it? Oh, it was pig. It was crop pig baby.
The baby.
No, but like there's this puzzle where you like need the crop pig and baby. I click to open a thing. Wait, no. There. I don't know where to go. There. I do believe you have the ability to clip things.
Rooster con-
Would it be funny if like for the first week I have as I said like the first day of streaming. What if I like the second day, fourth day, fifth day, and then like seventh day of streaming? Wouldn't that be funny?
You too, huh?
Yeah.
We saved the dog.
That's the best critic.
save the dog, yes.
Take care of yourself, buddy.
Technically, there's speedruns, right? I've seen where they don't save the dog, and the reason why is that there's a boss battle where when the dog will appear. I think when you have like a fourth of the boss health, the dog will appear and just like distract the boss. But when the dog appears, the boss will heal back to 100%. So people have been not helping him to make it faster, but I've always saved the dog.
I mean, yeah, you have to.
Yeah, like, I have a dog. Pros. Oh, I'm wondering when that
Body armor's not looking good.
There used to be a merchant nearby. He jumped me when I shot it, so it shot into his face and blew us both up. By the way, did you know there's a for to die of explosions? Like it just explodes into a million pieces.
No way.
No, like he does, like the unit basically disappears and you should be like full of blood left.
That's funny.
It is.
Extremely gruesome humor, my beloved.
Truly. Anyway, do you want to share anything? Like, I think you're talk about like YouTube drama if you want to, or you can play Shadowverse.
Hey guys, did
I've been
you
waiting for
you hear
Got my
about
hands on a fine piece of kit.
what
don't
did you hear about when the
Welcome. What can I better to be over?
famous
Crossing your
YouTuber Little
comeback
Timmy
anytime.
2006 when they I don't fucking know where I'm going with this.
Madeupstory.com. Let's go. But by the way, that I don't know if there's a real website.
Now I need to look that up. Wait.
Church.
By the way,
I
okay,
made
for everyone watching, hopefully do not go to that website. Do not go to it. Don't.
I did. It doesn't exist.
Good. Don't look it up. Don't create a website on that, pretty please.
Yeah, you need. Yeah, because when you get the money, you're gonna buy that address. You're gonna make it your merch site.
My merch is gonna be. Well, it's now getting like badjokes.com or badstory.com.
Yeah. Hell yeah.
No, dude.
Honestly, peak content.
Truly. Oh yeah, a streamer mode is on. So I'm not getting Discord pings.
Time to spam.
No, I still have the Discord icon up on my taskbar, so I'm still gonna get the notification. So just don't spam me on Discord. What am I gonna get? Like the photorealistic rescue rabbit sent to me. I don't think I need. Smoke, I don't think I need to save up on heals now. I have a bit of heals. Yeah, I should probably. Why didn't you save my knife? I will have my body armor. Thank you. There's a merge.
What if you were not allowed to use the knife because you're supposed to only use the rocket launcher?
It's like I am only using the rocket launcher. I'm not just using that for as pairing.
No, you can't parry.
Amazing, like pairing does not do damage.
No, but you can't parry
Yeah.
I love how hilariously overkill this is, like minor inconvenience. Go gadget, fucking explosive.
Truly.
It's like, I don't know. I'm thinking of like this in the context of like an actual like series or movie or something, like have a main character who just pulls out a fucking rocket launcher at like the most minor of inconveniences.
Truly.
Oh shit, it's a random border enemy. Not anymore.
Boom.
You killed half the city along with that enemy, but I killed the enemy.
True. Wait, now let me think.
Oh, nothing but the fine.
No,
Welcome.
it should not be.
Ooh, what
We're
you
gonna
buying?
we're gonna buy my almost broken body
Nothing
arm.
but the fireworks. Well, sorry.
Okay, merchants.
Your valuables won't do you much good in the
I have
grave.
no idea what his voice actually sounds like.
He's British.
Pleasant
He's British.
I mean,
trap.
aren't they all though?
No, like Leon. Like I think all characters. Leon is American. Ada, I think Ada's from China. Ashley is from America. Every other character in this game is from Spain. So I think the game takes the game takes care of the. I think it's in Spain. Yeah,
Oh,
like,
so that explains why the enemies are like that. They're just the average Spanish resident.
truly. And then it's like the merchant. No one knows what the merchant. The people speculate about the merchant is that he has some connection with the Duke from since the Duke says a line that the merchant says. I think it was like one of my close colleagues said this. They were like.
Actually. Why are you aiming upwards? Just aim forward.
Truly is shoot forward. And
Just shoot the guy.
by the way, my goals like I'm not gonna go scavenger hunting much for items.
Honestly, fair.
And I don't know, I just like that killed a viper. Me by actually working the tripwire to kill you blew up a viper. By the like, there's two weapons in this game, the hand cannon and the Chicago sweeper. Both of those weapons.
Chicago.
Yeah, the weapon is called. But that weapon has those two weapons have unique. Those two weapons have infinite ammo. But if you can still reload with them in a unique costume that Leon has, and you will see a short cutscene of Leon just like doing like, tricks with the guns. Ah! No. Gone. I could say like cease and desist.
You're gonna have to edit this title because I'm fucking off.
With what?
Well, not now, but I'm gonna fuck off in a moment.
No, like we could probably end this after this boss battle. It's like even though it's like a 36-minute thing.
Oh, okay. If you're ending doing it anyways, then I'm not gonna bother.
Yeah.
Sure.
Yeah.
40-minute stream moment.
Yeah, like yes, but probably not stream like start streaming earlier. Then you should like it's just like a last-minute thing. Like I'm gonna.
Yeah, fair. Well, like yeah, fair.
Explosive audience in 5 years.
I mean, you say
Well,
that, but like,
Well then, what can
honestly
I do
possible.
you for? Good as come
And
back
we both know it's a joke.
anytime.
Well, yeah, of course we do, but like,
seriously, like, if you actually start doing this, even just as a hobby, like, there is a chance.
And like, I was just gonna be doing this on the weekends.
Well, then, the thing is, you already have one part of it nailed down. If you do consistent, like, every weekend still consistent.
Actually, one of this now, because of my own weapons here, so I cannot just rocket launch this. I can rocket launch, the Lago. I can rocket launch the Lago. So I'm just basically breaking the challenge right now. By being forced by the game. By
Oh yeah, boom.
yeah, every game has to change each game.
Yeah,
Like, we have, like, I have to stream at the Mortal Plus speed run sometimes.
overkill fishing speedrun.
Like, I don't even know how to get to that section, so you have to teach me.
Think you can swallow me whole, huh?
yeah. I mean, I can. Honestly, I can.
By the way, I'm not playing.
Wait, I need to look up if co-op mods ever coming out. I haven't played it in a while.
By the way, I haven't played chapter 3 of Overkill yet. So what,
Holy shit, it's out. The co-op mod is out. We gotta do that at some point.
but like, I think I need to know then I need to hear from the shop. I think I can go to the shop and mod out. I was just basically stealing it from like that point.
Nah, like,
I'm gonna do it, that's why I'm
you know, I found it.
you
I get to download it. I wanna see how this.
am I gonna learn the thing?
Yeah, this is like a full-on thing.
Am I,
Actual full-on thing.
am I defeating the first with a damage?
Where'd you
Go
go?
hit time, let's go.
I like to beat this 1 minute longer, but there I defeated him. First one. I guess we have to like do an outro.
Yeah, you need to
Like,
do you need to completely do a 180, switch personalities, become a super hyperactive, just like
oh my god,
goblin
oh my
for a
god,
while.
oh my god, everyone need to see that. Oh my god. No, like I'm just be like let's just be serious here. Yeah, like it's fun. For like to explain a few things. No, not my boat. Not my boat. I've never seen this before. But anyway, like I guess yeah, I will be. I guess I don't know when this probably will come out tomorrow. Like I don't know when I'm probably gonna try to upload it once I'm done. No, but at least this will be fun. And yeah, I'm gonna link my Twitch in the description. Let's just create an outro here. Oh, anyway, yeah,
Yeah,
thanks for watching thanks for watching. Yeah, oh, we have a
oh
first time.
shit, you got one shatter
Let's
at
go.
the very end. Let's go.
Hello, knight. Hello, welcome.
Hello.
You joined at a bad time. It was supposed just to end.
I'm pretty sure they left immediately.
Check. Oh, how many viewers do I have now? It's just
You
you.
have one, and that's me. I'm
Oh,
pretty
you're
sure.
going.
Oh
Yeah.
no, there ain't no.
Yeah.
Hell yeah.
I'm doing good. Hi, Night. Hi, hello again, Night. I'm doing good. This is my
Same here.
I'm gonna be with one of my friends. How you're doing? How you doing? How are you doing this great Friday evening?
Joining moments because like
Yep.
you were about to end stream,
Oh,
but
that was about to end.
fucking we ball.
We do be balling. I don't know viewer counts. I don't know if he's still here or not. Yeah, he's still here. I'm good. Yeah, it's good to hear.
I have no idea because it's saying one viewer and it's supposed to end. Fucking no.
Anyway, Night.
No, there it is.
Anyway, Night. Anyway, Night. We're going to the end. You joined at a bad time for the like ending. Soon. It's getting late for both of us. I will be back tomorrow. I will be back tomorrow. I think around the like a few hours, like an hour or two earlier than usual, so I can play a bit more. But I will be back tomorrow. Sad to join at a bad time though.
Some kind of shrine.
But hey, glad that you're here.
Yeah.
Because
Yeah, I'm enjoying company just with one more person to enjoy.
first viewer,
Yeah,
genuinely.
It's okay. I just want to say hi and
Follower,
give a
let's
beautiful
go.
day. Just like you. I'll drop a follow. Thanks, Knights.
Genuinely.
I hope you guys have a beautiful day. Yeah, we both. I guess we have beautiful days. My smoker's been awfully tired.
I mean, am I ever not though?
True. No, but anyway, Night. Yeah, see, bye, Night.
Yeah.
We will be back.
Bye. Thanks for hopping in.
Yeah, thanks
See
for
ya.
hopping. We'll be back tomorrow.
Have a good one.
We'll be back tomorrow.
Have a good one.
Yeah, keep on. Anyway, we should probably say goodbye to the recording now.
Yes, yeah.
Yeah, so anyway, thanks for watching the video. I'll be linking the Twitch in the description. This will just be a really bad unedited video. This will be a really bad.
I love how you're doing a YouTube outro on the Twitch as well, and you're just living in it.
Yeah, like, it is, yeah. Anyway, like this is to be like a really bad unedited thing. Hopefully we'll get better by then. But anyway, thanks for watching. I'll be linking my Twitch in the description, plus the two YouTubers that my friend here by accidentally mentioned. No, but anyway, like if you have to subscribe to those two if you haven't subscribed to, I think you can name them like the Dual Logs and Noah Jenk. If you haven't subbed to them, please go and subscribe to them. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Smoke, do you have any final words?
Nah, not really.
Okay.
It was fun. I'll probably be joining back in next time.
Yeah. Anyway, bye.
So yeah.
Goodbye.
See ya.